Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, we had one channel takeover. Let's go for number 2, right? The BRAT wants to unbox and show something. So, I'm going to turn the channel over to her, and let's see how this goes. Might be a train wreck. You never know.
Hello, I am the BRAT, and I'm going to be unboxing a Nezuko. And this is from the game shop. It also has like an arcade in the back, which is actually really cool. So it only shows 5, but I bet there is definitely much more. So let's get on to unboxing. You have a platform, which looks like, and then a little thingy. I think we could probably figure out what that's for. And we have the Nezuko.
Hey, hold it up to the camera. Turn it around. Alright, come on.
Okay, so
How do you put it together?
It looks like you put the short end of this into her back. Now if you don't do it right, it's probably gonna not like stick in there. So what you
careful.
want to do,
Don't want to break it.
I know. You don't want to put too much pressure, otherwise it might.
Hold that up to the camera so they can see what you did.
There's a little hole on her back, and you put the short end part through the little hole. Now you want to put a little bit of pressure, but not too much, otherwise it might just fling out or break. Now there's a little hole on this piece right there. And what you want to do is what looks like you put the long end into there, and then got together our air kicking Nezuko. So that's what we got. Make sure to like and subscribe. And
Well, there we go, guys. 2 videos. I think we're going to do these back to back. 2 different unboxings by 2 channel takeovers. So leave all your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Please remember to hit that big old thumbs up. Show the BRAT a little bit of love, okay? It's also going to help the channel out because it's going to help trigger algorithms and all that fun stuff. But there we go. 2 of 2 channel takeovers done. Now, I bet when the monkey hears about this, he's going to want to do a takeover too. But I don't know. We're going to get that one figured out later, right? Guys, thank you so much for watching this fun one. I hope all of you are having a safe day, a great day. I'll see everybody in my next video.